Hello everyone, today we'll be going over the course introduction for machine learning for asset management. Now in the course overview over what we will be doing is that we'll be understanding the applications of machine learning for applying for asset management in general. So this is also branching off of quantitative finance, but particularly diving in depth between categorization of price models as well as bimodal concepts as well. But for every single video that we will be focusing on, we'll be presenting a concept within machine learning applied for asset management, along with a concept example and a couple practice problems to be able to go over to build up our foundation for their applications and practice as well. But more importantly, we're going to be using real world examples to be able to understand exactly how we will implement such techniques for this domain. Now, if you are interested in going further in depth in terms of asset management and applying complex software engineering techniques for this, and or you want to get a further understanding between foundations of machine learning and then apply it in for asset management, then this course is specifically for you. And without any further hesitation, let's get started.